Today we will discuss on the topic of list. It is also one data type used in Python. List is a data structure which is also called collection of item in which we can store anything like string, float, integer, boolean, etc. Syntax of list is list name, item 1, item 2, item 3, item n. Note, we have to note here. We write the item of the list inside square brackets and each item is separated by a comma like 10 comma 10.2 like this. Second number, duplicate values are allowed in list. Lists are mutable, means its value can be changed, updated, delete, add after creating the list. In nature, mutable in nature. We can do the practical of list like creating empty list of some values, indexing, we perform indexing, slicing, we count the list items, append, pop, insert, extend, sort, reverse, next list comparison, copy, and length of list. Without any delay, we can do this practical. Let's move into the coding environment for practical. Today we are going to perform a list practical. For this, first we create a new Python file like list new.py is its extension. We have created a new Python file. After that, first task is to create an empty list. Like list 1, we have created a empty list. Now for it, we have to check either it is list or not by type. Like print type of list 1. Now run the program and here see this is list. We have created the empty list. Now we create a list that contains certain element like 10 comma north comma true. True is boolean value. True is boolean value. After that 10.6 is 10.6 is float value. After that we save ram. We have created the list containing certain element. Now we print the length of the list like print length list 1. We have created the length of list like see, I think the length of list is 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. See, we have created the length of list. Now run the program. After that, see our this one is list and the length of the list is 5. Now we perform indexing and slicing in list. For indexing, now first we perform indexing like print list 1. We perform indexing like we want to access first element. See, our output is Vinod. See, 0th position 10, first position is Vinod. See, we have accessed. This one is indexing. Uh, Indexing. This one is indexing. After that, this one is indexing. After that, we performed slicing. Slicing like list 1 is our list. Now we perform a slicing. We want to access element from 1 to 4. Here 4 is RAM. Fourth element is not included. Up to third element it will print. This one is our slicing in list. Now when we run the program, our output is Vinod true and 10.3 because while slicing the fourth element is not included because it will run from 1 to 3. Now after that we want to uh, know the index of the value inside the list. For this, print list 2 dot index. We want to know the index. Like I want to know index of true, which is boolean value true. Now for this, after this, here is list 1. So while running this program, see the index of true is 2. 0, 10, 1, 2 is true. Now after that we want to insert certain value. We want to insert certain value in this list. Like I want to insert certain value in certain position. I want to insert 2 in second position. I want to insert Lakshmi. Now after printing the list, first we have inserted 2 in second position. Now after that print list 1. While printing this, see our output is 10, 20, 10 Binod and Lakshmi. See here Lakshmi is inserted as 0, 1 and second position. Now after that I want to perform a extend operation in list. Basically extend means combining two lists. Like I want to make one new list 2 name. I want to make one new list name 3, 5, 6. I have made second list. Now I want to perform extend operation in this list. For this, list 2 dot extend list 3. List 1. I want to add list 2 in list 1. Now after printing list 1, we got the output by combining these two lists. See, here is output. Here is up to here. This one is first list. After that, this one is second list. Both lists are combined here. Now we copy the value of one list into another list. Like I want to copy value of list 1 to list 2. Now after printing list 2, here the value of list 1 is printed. See, after that 10 Vinod true and C. Here list 1 is copied into list 2. After that we want to perform sorting operation in list. For this I want to create one list like 45, 6, 89, 6, 2, 6, 4, 0, 1. I have created one list. I want to perform a sorting operation in list. For that I have to do like list. Here is list 1. List 1 dot sort function. Sort function. After that the array is sorted in ascending order. Now print list 1. After that the array is sorted in ascending order. See, here the array is sorted in ascending order. If we want to sort array in reverse order, descending order, then we have to change the value here. Reverse is equal to true. Here reverse is equal to true. After that the value is sorted in descending order. Now the value is sorted in descending order. Here the value is sorted in ascending order. Now the value is sorted in descending order. Now if we want to reverse the value of the list, for that we use the reverse function. Now we use the reverse function like list1 dot reverse. Now after printing print list 1. Now the value 45,689,401 is reversed to 104,89,6 and 45. See output here. Now the value is reversed. 10 not sorted. Only reverse the list element by using reverse function. Now we want to perform a list, one of the most important topic in the list, like list comprehension. For this I want to create one list like Ram, after that Ankit, after that Vinod, after that Lakshmi, after that Aniket. Here I have made one list. Now I want to perform a list comprehension. For this uh, I have to perform like this: x in x, x for x in list 1, if a a a in x, then print b. Now here the output is, see here the print b. Here the output is Aniket and Ankit. Here list comprehension is one line expression. Here we performed this operation in single line. X for x in list. X present in list if A in X, means any here in the list if A present, then print this name. Here Ram. Here is small. That's why it ignored the Ram. Here A is here Ankit and Aniket here. So it printed Ankit and Aniket. Now if we want to check with small a, it will print Ram and Lakshmi. See, the output is Ram and Lakshmi because a is present in two list elements. Uh, it is basically asks in 2 marks question how to perform a list comprehension. So you have to just write 3 lines of code here. Only list comprehension is this line of code. Now we are printing the value. Finally, we again perform one of the important topic like list unpacking. For this, we have to create one list like name Aniket and Vinod. Now I want to perform list unpacking. For this, I want to I have to create new two variables like I have to assign to this list. After this printing print in 1 and print in 2. Now list is unpacked here. I have to do N2. Now here list is unpacked. Now individually Ankit and Vinod is individually printed here. See, here list is unpacked in simple format. Here is a list, but we have performed list unpacking, so the value is printed in simple format. Now I want to perform append operation in this list. Now I want to append certain thing. List 1 dot append. I want to append Lakshmi here. Now after that, while printing the list 1, now here Lakshmi is appended at last position. See here the output. If you want to see the video of dictionary, click on the I button showing above. That's all for the list. If you like the video, please circulate this video with your classmate and with the juniors. The aim of this channel is to complete 1K subscriber. After achieving this milestone, I will provide all the notes related to engineering in my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box and in the about section of the YouTube channel. Thank you. Best of luck.